Hey guys, Shamil here with New Auto Glass, and I'm working on a Nissan GTR, part number 3476. That's the only part number for this. There's no more options. And I want to talk to you about these side moldings. See? So when you look at them first time, they looks like two different moldings. Like they got a cut, so be careful. It's one piece, and it has clips on the bottom and screws. See, screws. So what you gotta do is put this over here. So what you gotta do is take this off, and then it's like G35. You unscrew the screws, and then you pull this off. And this last clip is right in the middle, so just go careful, pull it so you don't break it, so you can put it back on. And then once you got this off, when you're gonna go cut the windshield out, do not use a long blade because it's so close. You see that? I primed it. See, there's a chance if you use this long one, like a half an inch, what is that, 3/4? Yeah, you might hit the side pillar. So use the shortest one you got and be careful not to hit. As you can see right here, I chipped it on this side right there, but it's under it. It's under it. It's going to be under the glass, but be careful not to do it. And under the hood is just a regular infinity clips and stuff. But other than that, it's very easy to install it. Just be careful with that. And there you go, Nissan GTR. All right, guys, this is just a 2-minute video. Thank you for watching, and just a quick tip on the Nissan GTR. Bye.